6. Pearl Standard Invitation Code. The Pearl Standard Invitation Code is a mechanism to promote the establishment of an anchor and consensus circle for the Pearl coin, as well as the creation of a trading ecosystem. The Pearl Standard Trading Platform accelerates the construction of the Pearl Standard Consensus Circle and trading ecosystem through the Invitation Code mechanism. The Invitation Code is limited to the first 300,000 PPS. Each PPS has one invitation code. The invited purchaser enters the invitation code to purchase PPS on the sales platform. Not only can they issue PSC according to the trading platform rules, but they also receive a Pearl Standard Trading Consensus Circle Participation Encouragement Bonus from the trading platform as a contribution to expanding the trading volume and participating in the Consensus Circle. The inviter, due to their contribution to accelerating the expansion of the Trading Consensus Circle, receives a Pearl Standard Trading Consensus Circle Construction Reward from the trading platform. 7. Pearl Standard PSA. PSA is the second-generation anchor of the Pearl coin, a currency for all commercial scenarios. The second-generation anchor PSA must enter the Pearl Standard Custody Center. The second-generation anchor is not limited to PPS, but is any seawater pearl that can be used as an anchor, as decided by the Pearl Standard PS-DAO voting mechanism. 8. Pearl Standard PSD. PSD is the second-generation Pearl coin introduced in the second stage by the Pearl Standard. PSD is an absolute standard commercial circulation currency, and the total issuance of PSD is equivalent to the initial price of PSA. At any time, PSD can be exchanged for an equivalent amount of PSA from the Pearl Standard Custody Center. Once the Pearl used as the anchor PSA leaves the Pearl Standard Custody Center, it can be awakened for its practical value, but at the same time, it loses its value as a Pearl coin anchor because the equivalent PSD no longer exists. 9. Pearl Standard PS-DeFi. Pearl Standard PS-DeFi refers to the decentralized financial system that Pearl Standard is committed to building. In the absence of any central authority, it operates entirely according to mathematical and computational principles. The base data processing layer of the PS-DeFi working system is responsible for data storage, verification, and data exchange with network nodes. On top of the base data processing layer is the digital environment layer, which provides programming languages for secondary development on PS-DeFi. The application layer is the top layer of the PS-DeFi working system, where any third party can develop and use financial application service programs that comply with the basic rules of PS-DeFi. The data on PS-DeFi cannot be tampered with, has high transparency, low operating costs, and good accessibility. The fundamental differences between Pearl Standard PS-DeFi and all current DeFi are twofold. First, the PS-DeFi functional stack has a standard currency and a trading market, but does not allow for the development of lending, financial derivatives, or other speculative products typically found in the DeFi functional stack. This is because the Pearl Standard does not encourage speculation or stimulate excessive greed and profiteering. Second, PS-DeFi adopts a unique technical path that achieves a reasonable balance between node synchronization and data processing efficiency, enabling instant massive micropayments, thus becoming a truly commercial financial system. In contrast, the current DeFi, using the classic blockchain technology path, cannot parallel the centralized financial system that has permeated all human socio-economic activities, much less replace it. 10. Pearl Standard Guessing Proof Mechanism, GPM. The Pearl Standard Guessing Proof Mechanism, GPM, also known as the Scenario Question Standard Answer Approximation Guessing Method, is a system created by the Pearl Standard. The Pearl Standard believes that the return to an ancestor-like state in which block bookkeeping rights are obtained without proof of work is actually advanced and most fair. Obtaining block bookkeeping rights through mining or asset ownership is not environmentally friendly or fair to humanity. The Scenario Question Standard Answer Approximation Guessing Method, created by the Pearl Standard, allows all participants to guess the outcome of an uncertain but trending question under consistent information access conditions. The winner is determined by the proximity of their guess to the actual outcome. Pearl coin holders earn block bookkeeping rights through mental calculations and effort in obtaining information, coupled with luck. The Pearl Standard Distributed Ledger blockchain links the block head of each block to the previous block's block body, achieving a fully decentralized mode of obtaining link rights, bookkeeping rights. Pearl coin holders freely propose scenario questions on the forum platform. The block bookkeeping rights section of the forum platform filters and sets up the questions based on the consensus rules formed by PSC holders and publishes them. No one, including the Pearl Standard Function platform, can obtain the answers to scenario questions in advance, such as the next day's Dow Jones Index. The winner, whose answer is closest to the actual result at the future point in time, earns the block bookkeeping rights.